So ito na, panoorin nyo maigi kung paano in-implement yung robotics and automation inside the warehouse at paano nyo napapabilis at napapagaan yung trabaho ng mga taong naandoon. And also making the facility a secured place to work on. Okay, kasi mas safe kasi because of automation and technology. Okay, so let's watch the video. So this is my vlog and I am Sir Dave. Charot lang. So magiging influencer na lang din siguro ako tapos mukha akong ano no, DJ. So ito na.
Newegg is a leading e-commerce retailer, providing customers with competitive pricing and unparalleled product selection. The company seeks to become the most trusted and respected e-commerce company in the world by providing the best value and service to its millions of customers. The company's motto of "Shopping Upgraded" is at the heart of its supply chain strategy: faster delivery and world-class customer service. Newegg's 400,000 square foot distribution center in Indianapolis was constructed and designed to ship the company's standard product line of consumer electronics, online gaming, and IT products, but has since transformed with the introduction of two new services: Newegg Marketplace, a platform for users to sell through the Newegg website, and Shipped by Newegg, a third-party logistics service. Today, Newegg's Indianapolis facility has more than doubled its required throughput and SKUs. But with an advanced order fulfillment system in place, the company has been able to quickly and easily scale operations to meet demand.
It's a goods-to-person system, and you don't have the travel time, the safety, the ergonomics. You can pick the item, put it into the box or tote, and we could do that within.
Okay, pause natin dito, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, yung ayan yung bago itong nandito sa balde na to, yan, yung nasa loob niyan, yan yung subject for packaging. Pero bago makarating yan, merong itong automatic na nagdi-deliver na to nung mga for packaging. So pagdating sa picking, automated na din. Ito na yung bahala sa picking, ayan no.
You can pick the item, put it in.
Ayan, yung naandyan, automatic yan, napapalitan yan. Tapos mano-mano yung pagpapackaging at paglalagay nung label.
To the box or tote. And we could do that within a few seconds versus in a pick module, you have all the travel time. And in Perfect Pick, you have four touches instead of 10 touches. It just makes sense to double the productivity in Perfect Pick.
Perfect Pick's been operating since the grand opening. It helps to improve on the three most important things in warehousing: safety, quality, production.
Newegg's fulfillment process begins when orders are released from its homegrown warehouse management system into the Exacta warehouse execution system. As orders are received, custom-sized shipping containers are automatically built, a license plate number is applied, and the containers are routed through the system based on what picks are needed to complete the customer's order. Containers can travel through a 3-level pick module where operators
Ang lawak ng warehouse, no?
use high-velocity, light-directed picking on the first level and voice-directed picking on the second and
So meron silang light-directed picking model at voice-directed picking model. So I don't know how light works there, yung paano yung siguro yung light yung sinusundan. Meron din silang voice kaya may headphone yan, no. Kung ano yung siguro yung voice command, yun yung nangyayari.
third levels. From the pick module, containers travel to Newegg's robotic goods-to-person system called Perfect Pick. This solution houses the bulk of Newegg's small to medium-sized high-value SKUs. The 2 aisles of Perfect Pick are 100 feet long by 28 feet high, with 15 iBots per aisle delivering goods to operators. The system is designed to handle up to 18,000 orders per 8-hour shift, and since goods are brought directly to operators at the Perfect Pick workstations, operators can pick nearly double the units per shift as operators using traditional voice and light-directed picking. Once all picks are completed, an order travels via zipline conveyor to receive a final weight check and packing materials before being labeled, taped, and sorted to the appropriate shipping lane for delivery to the customer.
From the very beginning, the Bastion Group has just been phenomenal as far as communication. We have talked to all the project managers, the engineers. They kept us up to speed on what was going on constantly. And you're talking about a lot of complex systems. You have our WMS, which is from Newegg, and that in conjunction with Bash.
Yung WMS na sinasabi niya ay the Warehouse Management System. No? It's one of the information system na ginagamit ng mga companies, no, specifically for warehouses. 'Di ba? Sabi nga nung nakaraan, 'di ba? Dati naman nung wala pang kung hindi ginagamit ng ERP ang isang negosyo o isang company, meron silang kanya-kanyang system na ginagamit for every functional area. At isa na 'yon, yung warehouse management system.
Exacta system.
Exacta is very vital to our daily operation to ensure the orders get done in a timely fashion. Exacta helps to control multiple areas with order dispatching, carton release, balancing the conveyor, and also completing the orders at the end of the day.
We started the project in January of 2014.
We started shipping orders in August of 2014, and in October we had our grand opening.
And we have just grown, and Bastion has grown with us. I mean, with weekly phone calls, conference calls, we talk about balancing the pick module and balance with a perfect pick. And they're already good, but they get better. And this is going on 4 years now. So it's good to have that network behind you.
Bastion's provided knowledgeable, hardworking, dedicated professionals from the start of the project, and they continue to help support us to this day.
So yon na example ng paggamit ng Engineering Information System and IT to aid the order fulfillment process. Though that is only a portion of the whole order fulfillment because yan ay nangyayari lang dun sa warehouse, inside the warehouse, sa picking, packing, hanggang sa may ready for shipping. Kahit na yun lang yung nakita natin, pero nakita natin na napakalaki yung impact, no, or yung tulong nung technology and automation sa warehouse management. Okay? So I hope from that example, you've been able to understand the order fulfillment process and at the same time kung ano ang tulong ng technology or benefit that technology can bring to the process. Okay? So let's move now to the next point, which is the order fulfillment challenges. So nakita na natin yung good side about the order fulfillment. Ngayon, ano may mga challenges that we have to overcome as we implement the process? The first one is inventory management. No? Dito, pumapasok yung pag-ensure na dapat walang sosobra at walang kukulang na inventory at hand. Sir, alam na namin na kapag kulang, may problema. Pero pag sobra, does it matter? Yes, it matters. No? Kapag sobra ang inventory at hand, ang mangyayari ay, syempre, additional space yon na makakain dun sa warehouse, sa loob ng warehouse. Additional holding cost yon. And also, too much inventory will lead to lesser space for other inventory na dapat na andun sa warehouse natin. So dapat walang sobra, sakto lang. Kung 100 lang dapat yung stock for that specific product in our warehouse, 100 lang dapat. At hindi rin dapat kumulang kasi nga magkakaproblema tayo pagdating sa supply ng inventory. Pag sinabing inventory, yan yung stock. Okay? Synonymous yan sa stock na term. Pangalawa, demand planning. We have to ensure na yung isusupply naman nating inventory sa warehouse ay enough to meet the market demand. So kunwari, sabi next month, tataas yung demand tataas sa 200. So instead of you pushing items papunta sa warehouse ng 100 lang, so gagawin mong 200. Pero you have to ensure na tama yung forecasted demand mo kasi pwedeng maging problema yan. Sabi nga kanina, the more inventory that we hold is the lesser room for other inventory sa warehouse natin. So dapat tama rin yung demand planning natin. Tama yung forecasted demand natin for the following days. Okay? And pangatlo, logistics planning. Dapat matino yung napipili nating mga logistic partner para maiwasan yung mga missed deliveries or delays pagdating sa delivery and shipping. Okay? Kung mapapansin nyo dati, nagkaroon ng issue yung JNT ata yun. Yung video na nag-viral wherein binabato-bato nila yung items doon sa loob ng truck habang nilalagay nila doon sa truck. Diba? Siyempre, that will compromise the quality of the product ngayon. So kaya pala minsan may mga nasisira na UUP kasi pwedeng kasalanan ng logistic partner. Okay, so kailangan maayos din yung pagpili natin ng logistic partner. So si Lazada, alam ko, meron silang to-go, may LBC, may JNT, at meron din silang sariling logistics team, no? Tawag nila ay Lex or Lazada Express. So yan mga yan yung nagdadala ng item natin from the distribution center papunta sa bahay natin. And then they are the ones as well who pick up the items from the seller's home papunta sa warehouses natin. Okay, so we have to ensure na tama yung pagpili natin sa mga logistics partner natin. Pati yung mga scheduling ng mga yan dapat maayos din. And lastly, supply chain execution. Dapat maayos din yung pagpili ng ating mga suppliers. So maayos yung order fulfillment process natin, pero yung mga raw materials or components na ginagamit natin in manufacturing the products that we're gonna sell to our customer, kumpalyado yon. So, wala rin kwenta kahit gaano kaayos yung serbisyo natin if the item that we are offering or product that we are offering to our customer ay substandard because of the raw materials na ginamit natin na hindi maayos or reliable, then wala rin kwenta yon. Okay? Ito yung mga challenges ngayon that we have to overcome as we implement the order fulfillment process. Lagi niyong tatandaan, sabi nga kanina dito, part yung supply chain management ng order fulfillment, no? Kung naalala niyo pa yung sinabi ko kanina. Kasi nga, ang order fulfillment ay portion lang ng supply chain. Ang supply chain ay nagsisimula sa acquisition ng raw materials, tama? Hanggang sa i-manufacture yun, hanggang sa i-deliver yung item kay customer. Doon na papasok yung order fulfillment. It's just a part of the supply chain management. Pero it's important that we oversee the whole supply chain to ensure the effective implementation of the order fulfillment process. Okay? So do you have any question about the order fulfillment process, and the challenges that you may encounter as you implement the process? May tanong ba? Or naintindihan ng mabuti? So madali lang naman tong lesson, no? Pero if there are things that you fail to understand or gusto yung paulit, then you're welcome naman to ask me. So, yung mga na-experience from Shopee, Lazada, and even yung simpleng pag-order nyo online sa mga ibang seller, yan ay order fulfillment. Okay? Kung wala naman kayong tanong, let's have our break. So, it's already 2:41 p.m. Gawin natin 9 minutes yung break. Balik tayo ng 2:50 p.m.